What's your name? Emoji sign. Open that app. Where you at? What's your name? Emoji sign. Open that app. Where you at?
Hi guys, Lindsay, and in this video we are going to replace this tablet screen. The tablet screen is actually still working, but there are some issues with the inside screen. This version is the T580, and we are going to replace this. We are going to start by opening the back. So you want to make sure no SD card inside, and I am going to take off the back cover. So there are some clips and you need to unclip. Once you get an opening, you can easily unclip the clips like that. And just like that, we just took the back cover off. This was on very tight, right? We have the new screen here. This is why we are changing the LCD screen inside. So we just unplug the battery, and we need to also remove the digitizer cable, we need to remove the digitizer ribbon as well. We also have a ribbon in this area in which we need to remove for the screen. So we just remove the ribbon. So what we're going to do now, we are going to heat around the edges of the screen. So we need to look which angle the ribbon is, and we need to be careful. Right? So guys, the digitizer is off. So guys, the digitizer is off. We had a little bit of challenge there with the adhesive. So we just remove the screen and we are going to do a test to make sure that this screen is still functional. So although we are going to change it, we are just going to make another brief test. So let's see if the screen is still functional. In that, let's see if the screen is still good. So it's in the same condition in which we had it before. So we are going to install the new screen. So the cable is now installed and we are going to do a test with this screen to ensure that everything is showing and working properly. This is a brand new screen. If you notice, we have a bit of an adhesive that is sticking the screen around. So we're going to avoid putting in the screen. We're going to make a test first and then we will put in the screen after. So the screen is in and I'm going to plug in the battery. The battery is in as well. So I'm going to turn on. And if you look, you can see that nothing is jumping. You can see that everything looking lovely. And this is what we want. And I am going to install the screen. There's a hole in which we need to slip the ribbon through. This hole. So what we need to do, we need to slip this right through here. And we install the screen here. There's also a plastic on the screen as well. Then we can go ahead and we can connect back the screen here. So after you finish putting in the battery, the LCD screen, also this cable, the flex cable, we are going to put back on the back cover. This will actually clip in. very tight. This is why it was very hard to come out. Yeah, that was very tight. So we are going to just do a quick test to see if the touch is working and if everything is functional. Everything is functional, guys. As you can see, everything is touching. We are good to go. If this video was helpful, do like, share and subscribe. I'm out.